Every morning at 6:30 a.m. he starts ringing the bells. So you don't really need an alarm clock here. And he keeps going 15 minutes in between. So you don't need a snooze button either, but it's so annoying. You like, why can't you just do like 2 or 3 bangs, but just like ding ling 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 ding forever. Woke up at 6 a.m. Had something to eat, and then I went to the gym with my friend. Did a little bit of biceps, triceps, chest, and the back. And then we stopped by a tire place to fix his tire because he was driving and got a screw inside his tire, so it was leaking slowly and it needed fixing.